Mpumelelo says that there are people who think they are better than others. And he goes on to say that it's bound to happen in such a big family, that it's bound to happen where there's going to be people who think they're better than others in a polygamous family. Obviously, they are a large family. But it made me think, you guys, was Sneh lying when Sneh said there are people who think they are better than others and she was speaking about Umpilo? Because that's what Sneh says. And then I don't think it's a coincidence that then Umpumelelo then says in his diary sessions that there are people who think they are better than others. And I want us to speak about Umpilo, guys. I don't really know why people think and are saying that Umpilo thinks she's better than other people. But I don't think you guys like the same thing in Apuma twice and it's not speaking about the same person. I don't think so. Because when you look amongst the children around their age group, there's no one else who could possibly fall into the group of thinking, or there couldn't be no one else who I can at least think of who could possibly fit the category of thinking that they're better than other people. Abongwe, she's not like that. Abongwe gets along with almost everyone except to Sneh. Sneh and Abongwe, you can see there's something there between them, but I'll speak about it in another video. So it's only Umpilo that fits that category. So I do think, guys, there's something there and all the siblings can see it. It's just that I think Sneh was the only one who was, I don't know whether to say whether she was bold enough, because you know Usne sometimes iyazikhulumela nje. Sneh sometimes she's rude to people. She doesn't think before she speaks. So she's the only one that I could possibly think of. But then again, you guys, from the public's perspective, there is that thing that you can pick up from below, wuti unale on jail's chela, you know? But I can't really pinpoint to wuti like what she actually did. Because last season, there's nothing that Umpilo did to anyone or that made people feel like we are Jada. There's nothing that she did in the last season that made people think that she's better than the others, you know? So I don't really know, but where are we getting it from? I don't know where are people getting it from that below thinks that she's better than others. It's just let me add myself there because I do think that there's that thing, man. I can't really like put my finger or on an event or something that she said explicitly. I can't really put my finger on anything, but like there's just something, guys. Like there's something, and guys, like I don't know how to like put it. I don't know how to put it in words. I really don't know how to put it in words. But again, someone was saying that the reason why, like some people are saying Ugutumpilo thinks she's better than other people is because she is Makumalo's kid, and very many people don't like Umakumalo. So, like the hate that Umakumalo gets, the unnecessary hate that Umakumalo gets, people are saying now, people are projecting that hate and that dislike and be projecting it towards Umpilo. Because there's really nothing that Umpilo did that could possibly make people think in that way. And for me personally speaking from my side, I don't think it's the case. I like Umakumalo. I like Umakumalo and I'm fond of her. There's just certain things that I don't like about her. Like with every other wife. Like I think with every other wife, I love them. But there's also certain things that I don't like. The only thing I didn't like about Umakumalo is how she was portrayed as if she was like this perfect wife amongst the rest of the other wives. Whereas I was just like, no, she's not perfect amongst the other wives. Like every wife has their own flaws. But Umpilo, I think there's just something, you know, guys, like, "Oh, angazi ukuthi ngizoyichaza kanjani." I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it, but sometimes even there's like, I don't know how to explain. Sometimes there's a subliminal message in the way you speak and the stuff that you say that gives off those vibes, even though you have not said it like yourself. I don't know how to put it like into words, but when I heard Umpumelelo say this, that yes, there are people who think they are better than others. that automatically clicked to Usne. And I don't think like it happened like obviously episodes we don't know how they shot. But I don't think two people, guys, can say the very same thing. And Umpumelelo, obviously, when he's doing his diary sessions, when already the show has been shot because they're rewatching and they're just commenting. So for him to know or for him to have went through the event where him and Ruandle was telling Sneh that they must go apologize for what she said. And already there's the narrative yokuthi Mpilo thinks she's better. For him to then come and repeat like the very same words in his diary session after the scenes have been shot, I don't think it's a play of words or play on words. I don't think it's a coincidence. I do think even amongst the kids, there's that thing yokuthi they do think ukuthi Umpilo thinks she's better than others. I don't know where it's coming from. Maybe because amongst the other kids, maybe Mpilo might be living like a better off life than the rest of the other kids. Because Umakhumalo is the one who is much more like well off amongst the rest of the other wives. So maybe there could be that thing, asazi, you guys, but I really don't think ukuthi like Mpumelelo was just saying that like out of the blue. I do think there's something like that, but I don't think Mpumelelo meant it in a malicious way because he did further go on to say that it's bound to happen, you guys. In a big family, people have different characters. There's going to be people who think they're better than others. There's going to be your snares who feel like they can just like speak anyhow to people. There's going to be your Mpumelelos who think they are mature than the rest of the others just because they are doing grown up things. There's different characters in families, and you know what? We love them like that. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Do you think Mpumelelo was just, that Mpumelelo was just like saying something like that was different from Snare? Or do you think ukuthi siyamsukela uMpilo and it's unnecessary? Because I don't feel like the hate is warranted. I don't see like why we should like hate and like speak funny about Mpilo. I don't think the hate is warranted, but I definitely do think unayo Leandro yokuthi she does think she's a bit better than, I don't know, than other people. Not than other people, than her other siblings. Angazi, guys, tell me what you think. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do make sure that you subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you in the next one.